Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Jeep Gladiator. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is at least half full. This ensures an accurate measurement. You will need a T15 Torx bit, a measuring tape, and a marker for this process. Let's get started with the initial setup. Now, let's mark the wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight on your Gladiator. Transfer these measurements to the wall, creating two horizontal lines. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your headlights. Mark the center point between these two horizontal lines on the wall. These marks will guide your adjustments for proper beam alignment. It's time to adjust the beams. Open your hood and locate the two adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. One screw controls vertical movement, and the other handles horizontal. Using your T15 Torx bit, turn the screws to move the light beam. Aim for the top edge of the low beam to be slightly below your marked horizontal line, and the brightest part centered vertically. Make small adjustments for precision. After adjusting, double-check that both headlights are aligned correctly and evenly. Take your Jeep Gladiator for a test drive on a dark road to confirm proper visibility and ensure you're not blinding oncoming traffic. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safety. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Keep your Gladiator running smoothly and smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.